We'll guide you through how to disable double tap to turn on or off the screen on Samsung phones. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So while this can be convenient to go and have, perhaps you accidentally go and turn on or off your phone when you go and double tap when you don't mean to. So you just don't want to have it turned on anymore. We're going to guide you through how you can go and disable it, so make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Let's get started. So what you need to do is go and swipe up like so. You want to go and find the option for settings. You can always go and search at the top if needed or even swipe across, but I can easily go and see it there. Next, you want to go and start scrolling down and you want to go and find the option for advanced features. And you want to go and tap there like so. Now in here, you need to go and find the option for motions and gestures. And you can go and tap there like so. And then what you can do is you can go and see these are both turned on. So there's two different settings. So we can go and disable this and we can disable this. But if you want to go and keep one of them on, you could and only disable one of them. But in this case, we're doing both because that's on and that's off. So that's it. You've now gone and done it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again soon. Goodbye.